In a land far, far away, where the rivers flowed with sparkling wine, and the trees whispered sweet secrets, lived a little dragon named Hungarian Horntail. Hungarian Horntail was not like the other dragons. He had a majestic, silver body with a tail as long as a rainbow. His horns were golden, shining brightly under the sun. He was known to be kind and gentle, but when it came to protecting his home, he was fierce. One day, a group of mean birds invaded Hungarian Horntail's village. They were loud and boisterous, causing chaos and destruction. Hungarian Horntail watched helplessly as his friends hid in fear. Feeling determined, Hungarian Horntail decided to stand up for his village. He flew up high and let out a mighty roar. The birds stopped in their tracks, surprised by the little dragon's bravery. Hungarian Horntail swooped down, his wings flashing like silver in the sunlight. With a swift move, he knocked the leader of the birds out of the sky. The other birds scattered, fleeing back to their nest. The villagers cheered for Hungarian Horntail. He had saved them from the mean birds. From that day on, Hungarian Horntail was not just known for his beauty, but also for his bravery. Night fell, and the villagers gathered around a warm fire. Hungarian Horntail sat beside them, his horns glowing softly in the darkness. He had protected his village, and now he was ready for a good night's rest. As the villagers went to sleep, they remembered the little dragon's bravery. They knew that no matter how big the problem, Hungarian Horntail would always be there to help. And so, everyone slept peacefully, safe and secure in their beds. The end.